Hey, and welcome back. This is video number 8. We're going to talk about how to SEO optimize your blog, or in other words, how to make your blog or WordPress website more search engine friendly. So in the previous video we installed Headspace 2. There's several plugins that you can use. You don't have to use Headspace. There's another program or plugin called All-in-One SEO. And it's the all-in-one SEO. A lot of people use the all-in-one SEO pack or all-in-one SEO. You can use that. Headspaces I find to be a lot more user-friendly. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. To use it, I click on settings, click on Headspace, and as you can see here, we have page settings, page modules, site modules, and so forth. So in this section, basically you're defining, okay, every page you create is going to have a page title, page description, page tags, and so forth. Now you can customize this information. And I don't know if you saw that when I click this pencil and paper or window, it opens this up. This is title separator. This is basically if you want to create a separator, and you can change the max length, page description, you can change the max length, and so forth. So these are just ways to customize it. I generally try to just leave these blank, but I wanted to show you that you can easily customize everything. And if you're unsure as to what it is, you can click on these question marks and it'll tell you, page title. Whenever you visit a site, at the top you're going to see a title. So those are the page titles, and page description and tags and so forth. You can add keywords too. Let's say for example we want to do meta tag keywords. You can simply click this, drag it, and then plop it in there. You could add, let's say, meta robots to it. You could add, different stuff you can add. So if you want to disable something, you could always drag this and drop it here. So this defines basically the page, like how the pages are laid out. So every page you have has a title, description, keywords, and whatever you define that you want it to have. Generally I just keep with the basics. You don't want to add too much. Page settings, this basically applies to specific pages. If I click on posts, this will enable you to basically add a specific page title to like all the posts, description, the tags, and so forth. And basically what this does is it allows you to customize, home pages, front pages, archives, categories, basically optimize as much as possible of your website and make that search engine friendly. One cool thing I like about Headspace is if you click on site modules, you can actually track things a lot better. As in terms of setting up a WordPress blog, it's one thing to set it up, but it's another thing to actually track everything that you do. So for Google Analytics, if you click on this here enables you to basically enter a Google Analytics tracking code. But you can actually track other things, like you can track outbound links, virtual pages, domain name, and so forth. Now if this does not make any sense to you, basically all you need to understand is installing Headspace or all-in-one SEO is very important, because you need to optimize. If you optimize each post and each page in your blog, you're going to get better rankings, because Google's going to come to your blog post or blog page and they're going to know more about exactly what you're providing. A lot of people make the mistake of not optimizing their web page. They build backlinks to their site with wishes and hopes that they're going to get better rankings. But guess what? If your site is not optimized properly, just doing optimization in itself will get you higher rankings, than focusing just purely on backlinks. So they go both hand in hand. So I wanted to show you that.